Welcome to my channel Yantra Rakshana. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it with others. Today I am going to explain how to test alkalinity. First, take a measuring cylinder and measure the sample of water. In this test, I have taken 25 ml of water sample. Now pour the 25 ml water sample into the clean conical flask. Next, add the methyl orange indicator solution, 3 to 4 drops in the conical flask. Now gently shake the conical flask. Will be observe that solution changes to yellow color. Next, take the burette filled with sulphuric acid. Set the initial reading of the burette. Here the initial reading of the burette is 25.6 ml. Now place the conical flask below the burette nozzle. Slowly open the burette valve and add sulphuric acid solution drop by drop into the conical flask while continuously shaking the flask. Continuously adding sulphuric acid until the yellow color changes to orange color. Once the orange color changes completely to the orange color, close the burette valve. Now note the final burette reading, which is 29.4 ml. Burette reading is equal to final reading minus initial reading. Burette reading 29.4 ml minus 25.6 ml, 3.8 ml. Normality 0.02 n, most standard widely used. Why 0.02 n is used? Give accurate endpoint, easy calculation, standard for ease of lab practice. Alkalinity is equal to Br into normality into 50 into 1000 divided by sample value. Alkalinity is equal to 3.8 into 0.02 into 50 into 1000 divided by 25. Alkalinity 152 ppm.